Now, let me show you how to use this function in practice. First, connect the SmartLink C VCI to the vehicle's OBD port. Once it is successfully connected, select both Intelligent Diagnosis or Local Diagnosis to enter into the topology mapping. If your vehicle model supports multi-system data streams, you will see an additional multi-system data stream menu in the right-hand menu bar. Select this menu to access the multi-system data stream reading page. On this page, you will find three columns: System, Data Stream, and Combine. You can select and combine data streams from different systems here. At the bottom, you will see options for Vehicle Core Data Stream and Historical Custom. By selecting Vehicle Core Data Stream, you can view all the core data stream options for the specific vehicle model. Once you've selected the desired core data streams, click the OK button. Now, what you see is the display interface for the selected data stream from the multiple systems. To better monitor the data stream dynamically, click on this button to view the graphical data stream. Also, click here, you can select up to 4 data streams once and view all the live data stream at the same time. For now, the vehicle brands that support multi-system data stream reading include Nissan, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, and Mazda. More vehicle models will support this function soon. With the multi-system data stream reading, our X431 PAD9 LINK can help technicians locate vehicle faults more quickly, significantly improving diagnostic efficiency. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. I'm Rebecca. See you next time.